All right, guys, in this video, I'm going to be breaking down how to trade continuation safely. A lot of people will see a stock make a big price jump up or price jump down and just buy and pray it continues down. I'm going to show you guys the patterns and structures you're going to need to be able to take these continuation trades safely. All right, so continuation trades can be used on all time frames: daily, 15-minute, 10-minute, 5-minute, 3-minute, 1-minute. I personally use them to day trade most of the time, but you can use the same setups to swing trade as well. So let's go over the wedge first. Oracle here, as you see, we had a previous move up. Now we're on our pullback with our consolidation area right here. We draw our resistance from that high, and lower high. Once we have about 2 or 3 taps on that, we wait for the breakout. Once price breaks that resistance, we enter in calls playing to the upside. Another example is here on Amazon. Amazon, previous move up. Now we have a pullback with consolidation, draw resistance, high, even lower high, and finally over here we get our breakout and enter calls to the upside. Another example of a wedge. Hood, previous move up, pullback with consolidation, high, creates our resistance, wait for that breakout, play to the upside. Previous move up, pullback, consolidation, draw from a high to our lower high, show resistance, wait for that breakout, play to the upside. So those are wedges. Now we're going to be talking about flat top breakouts. So here on Apple is a good example. We have a flat top breakout. We have a move up, then we have a couple week of consolidation, find our flat resistance at the top. We wait for that breakout, which was right here on Wednesday, and you enter in calls. As you see, it's setting up for another flat top breakout currently, which we will be watching this week. NVIDIA right here is also setting up for a flat top breakout. Previous move up. Now we found our clear resistance in this 212 zone, or if you want to be even safer, you can do this 213, but down here at 212 has the most taps of resistance there. Here's another setup. Microsoft, previous move up, pullback with consolidation in this zone right here between 400 and 431.50. We have 1 rejection, 2 rejection, 3 rejection. Wait for the breakout right here, enter in calls. So those are the basic formations for swing trade setups using continuation. Okay, now we're going to get into the day trades. This is my specialty. So I like to use the 3-minute and 1-minute time frame when taking these continuation trade breakouts. So first here on Tesla, we're going to use, for example, the wedge. So as you see, Tesla market opens, very big dump. We wait for price to get under our levels, pre-market low or prior day low, depending on which one is second. And then we will come back, wait for our consolidation. As you see, we have our pullback right here. Take our low, higher low, higher low. As you see on this third tap, it breaks through. We enter on that breakout. Here's an example in the 1-minute time frame. Move down, 1 tap, 2 tap, 3 tap. On the 4th time, it breaks through. We enter in puts and play to the downside. This play ran over 100%. Now we're going to do some flat top breakout for Apple, which we took on Friday. So Apple broke above pre-market high and prior day high. We could have entered right here on this VWAP retest, but we wanted to be a little bit safer and wait for that pullback. So as you see right here in the 3-minute time frame, we have 1, 2, 3 candles of consolidation right here, showing clear resistance at this 325.88 mark. Then we hop down into our 1-minute time frame over here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 taps rejecting this 325.85 zone. We wait for this one right here. As you see, we get our breakout and play to the upside. So those are the setups I use every single day for day trades. It's an amazing way to safely trade continuation. All right, so the main takeaway from this video should be don't randomly guess on a continuation trade. Wait for that pullback, wait for that breakout, and enter there. A lot of traders get messed up by FOMO, and this is the best way to stay away from it. So if you guys liked the video, make sure to check out my other YouTube videos for my other strategy videos, as well as you can click the link YouTube profile and join my free Discord where I trade live every single day.